Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Audi Q5 Automatic. Begin by adjusting seat and mirrors, then foot on brake and press start to power the car. Familiarize yourself with the gear knob positions, center console controls, and steering feel. Release the parking brake, select drive, and gently lift your foot from the brake while applying light throttle. Practice smooth acceleration and braking in a quiet parking area before driving in traffic. Audi Q5 offers multiple drive modes that change throttle mapping, steering weight, and shift points for different needs. Comfort gives relaxed responses for commuting, while Dynamic tightens steering and holds gears longer for spirited driving. Efficiency and Auto help save fuel by favoring earlier upshifts and gentler throttle calibration when appropriate. Learn each mode on a variety of roads to understand how the SUV responds. When parking the Q5, shift to park and set the electronic parking brake to secure the vehicle on slopes. Rely on the rear camera and parking sensors for tighter spaces, but always glance around to verify clearances. For hill starts, use the brake hold or hill assist features if available to prevent rollback. Keep routine maintenance of tires and brakes current to retain reliable stopping performance and safety when driving with passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.